Live an optimal life, through health and wellness. Be well, get well, and stay well.
True confidence to shine? It comes from within. Activate your glow with TrueScience Liquid Collagen. The exclusive formula promotes your skin's youthful vibrance as it helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improve skin moisture, tone, and texture, and support healthy skin, hair, and nails. The key is the formula's ability to activate, replenish, and maintain. The unique and beautiful ruby quinoa activates your body's natural production of collagen. 2 sources of ethically sourced fish collagen replenishes the collagen you've lost. And ruby quinoa and citrus and berry extracts reduce the breakdown of existing collagen so that you maintain the collagen you already have. Drinking TrueScience Liquid Collagen daily will help you get glowing, gorgeous skin from within. You can trust the numbers. Studies show it takes 8 weeks or less to see and feel a difference in your skin's firmness, hydration, and texture. See the difference. Love the results. Go get your glow and live with true confidence.
Thanks for watching, and remember, one change can have an enormous effect. Remember to subscribe, hit the bell and the like, and we'll see you next time on Love to Live.